Good evening, folks. Today is Tuesday, October 8th, 2013, and here's the news. Congratulations to British physicist Peter Higgs and Belgian physicist Francois Englert in winning the Nobel Prize in Physics for their work into the discovery of the Higgs boson. Proving the particle's existence has been a top priority for the Large Hadron Collider at the CERN laboratory on the Swiss-French border. Over 50 years ago, Higgs and his assistant theorized about the particle's existence, but it wasn't proven true until 2012. The U.S. government shutdown enters its 8th day, and CNN Money's Fear and Greed Index reports we've entered into the extreme fear category, as Congress still has no deal in sight to raise the debt ceiling before the October 17th deadline, now only 9 days away. The International Monetary Fund stated that if the U.S. defaults on its loans, then it could cause serious damage to the already weak global economy, as if we didn't know that already. In today's stock market news, the Dow Jones was down 1%, the Nasdaq took the biggest dive today, being down 2%, and the S&P 500 was down 0.9%. Our big gainers today were Darden Restaurants, the owner of Red Lobster, Olive Garden, and other food joints, up 2% as they began paying their 55-cent dividend today. Although the stock is down 16% so far this year, CNN Money analysts project a 10% increase in the next year and suggest a hold. McKesson Corp is second, up 3%, as it is rumored they are in talks to buy their rival Celesio for around $5 billion. Even with this news, analysts suggest only a 1% increase in the next 12 months, but do suggest to buy. Our third and biggest winner today is Monster Beverages, up 3.75%, as the biggest gainer in the S&P. Analysts show a 27% increase in the next year and suggest to buy. Our losers today were Alexion Pharmaceuticals, down 5.25% after Swiss drug company Roche was going to make a bid to buy Exelon, who manufactures an orphan drug called Soliris. CNN Money analysts project a 15% increase in the next 12 months and suggest to buy. Second on our list is Biogen IDEC, down 4.75% after investors started selling off their winnings from earlier this year. Even with this, CNN Money analysts suggest a 15% increase in the next year and suggest to buy. Our third and biggest loser today is TripAdvisor, being featured on my losers list for the second day in a row, down 5.5% after news that they partnered with American Express to launch a state-of-the-art system that allows users to post card member reviews and receive special offers. Analysts show only a 2% increase in the next year and suggest to hold. That's it for today's market update. Commodities and currencies will close. Remember to always do your own research before buying or investing, and please invest wisely.